How AI helped me cut my grocery bill without changing what I eat. If you've ever come home from the grocery store and asked yourself, how did I spend that much? This video is for you. Like a lot of people, my wife and I cook at home most days. We don't buy junk, we try to eat well, and we don't overspend on purpose. But with inflation doing its thing, our monthly grocery bills were creeping toward $800. So I asked a simple question. Could AI help me lower my grocery spending without changing what we eat? And using AI could not have been easier. I didn't use a fancy app or a complicated spreadsheet. I just saved my grocery receipts for 2 weeks, snapped photos with my phone, and uploaded them to ChatGPT. That's it, no typing, no math, just a few images. Then AI did the hard part. The AI read every item, store, and price. It sorted my spending into categories like produce, dairy, meat, pantry, and even wine. Then it asked smart follow-up questions like, do you meal plan? Do you buy duplicate items? Do you throw away leftover food? And then it even compared prices with my local Walmart for me, and the results were eye-opening. Here's what AI found. I was paying nearly almost $7 for a half gallon for organic milk. Walmart sells it for less than $5. I spent $33 on pork shoulder at Costco. I could have saved $8 to $10 by shopping at Walmart. Switching pasta sauce brands could save $6 per jar. Altogether, AI helped me identify over $60 a month in potential savings without changing what we eat. What surprised me most wasn't the savings, it was how easy it was. I didn't need an app. I didn't need to change my habits. I just needed AI to look at what I was already doing and show me the patterns I couldn't see. Want to try it? Here's how to do it yourself. Save your receipts for at least 4 weeks. Take clear pictures with your phone. Upload them to ChatGPT or another AI tool. Use this prompt. I have uploaded grocery store receipts for the period from July 1st to July 31st for the project. I would like you to help me identify ways to reduce my spending. Please analyze and ask any follow-up questions if necessary. Here's a final thought. AI isn't just for tech geeks or coders. It's for people like you and me, trying to live well, spend smart, and stretch our dollars a little further. And sometimes the smartest financial move starts with something as simple as a receipt. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. I post weekly videos on how everyday people, especially retirees, can use AI to save money, live smarter, and make life just a little easier. And if you've used AI to help your budget, tell me about it in the comments.